Just a brief introduction. Thanks for taking some time to visit the site. Business at its essence is simply a continuing series of opportunities and challenges. Opportunities and challenges vary in frequency and in magnitude. Business operators who are not particularly adept at addressing opportunities and challenges tend over time to struggle, financially, personally, and otherwise. Business operators who have the knowledge and experience to know what it takes to routinely, quote-unquote, deal well, effectively, regarding opportunities and challenges, tend over time to be extremely successful. Sometimes dealing with an opportunity or challenge means knowing when to call a trusted professional for assistance, someone who knows what they're doing, someone who you can talk to in complete confidence, share the good, the bad, the ugly of the situation, and get some straight advice, someone who puts your interest first in dealing with whatever you may be faced with. It's my job to be that trusted professional, to provide expertise, experience, and legal tools to assist business owners to profit from opportunities and cost-effectively solve challenges in a favorable manner when faced with such. If you have an opportunity or challenge you'd like to discuss, give me a call. Almost all the business law assistance I provide is generally in three areas of business law. First, credit and collections law, representing creditors in all areas, including straight collections and also helping businesses to enhance their accounts receivable practices, general consultation regarding those matters. We'll get after folks when you need someone to pay you what you're owed. Next, judgment enforcement. This is after you've already got a court document saying you're owed some money. Oftentimes, attorneys will bring me on in later stages of proceedings with regard to trying to get after and provide some expertise as far as writs of execution, writs of attachment, garnishment, personal property liens and enforcement, real property liens and enforcement, depending on the circumstances. Also, key aspect of judgment enforcement is a proper investigation to see what assets, what areas of vulnerability either an individual or a business may have. Third main area I practice in, various business opportunities and challenges, whether it be business formations, business buy-sell agreements, contracts, complex negotiations needed regarding any number of matters, court litigation when absolutely necessary. The good commercial lawyers keep their clients generally out of court. It's great to win, best not to be in court in the first place, if you can avoid it. Sometimes it's unavoidable. Dealing with government agencies, whether it be federal or state. Administrative law analysis, handling regulatory proceedings, direct representation. I do a lot of that. Real estate transactions also, purchase, sales, leases. Sometimes there's a need to have brokers involved and also sales agents, but for the most part, the contract angles, I cover most of that in my office. Also appeals. I do a fair amount of state court appeals when necessary for clients. I generally don't handle federal court appeals. I normally farm those out to specialists. Although you never know what specifically will arise that warrants specialized attention, if it's generally one of those areas where you think it may be close, I'm flexible. Let's discuss what you're faced with. In some types of business opportunities or challenges, you never know. You may think it's one type of issue that really needs to be dealt with, when in fact it may be somewhat of another kind of disguised or cloaked in another label. I can help you sort it through, take a good look at it, and see exactly what you need. Give my office to a call. We can arrange a telephone or video conference. It's your convenience, free of any commitment. We can visit. If I'm the right person to assist, I'll let you know. If not, no problem. I'll make some suggestions regarding who you may call and try and steer you in the right direction. I'm not going to waste your time. I'm not going to waste my time and such. I'll help you if I can. If not, I'll put you in the right direction as far as somebody maybe to provide assistance. Again, give me a call. We'll visit. Please feel free to look through all the other areas on the site. There's a lot of information. It may or may not be applicable to a specific situation you're faced with. But again, you can get to know me a little bit better, get to know my law office a little bit better. And again, feel free to call us, set up a conference free of any commitment. We'll talk to you and see if I may be able to help. Thanks.